Now see next question number second, sub question fifth. We solve up to sub question 4 in previous lecture. So we take question number sub question fifth. 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square bracket raised to the power 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square bracket cube equals to 0. So here we have to show that LHS equals to RHS. So first we write here LHS. So we write in LHS this LHS as it is. So 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square raised to the power 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square bracket cube. Now here we have to use this property 1 plus omega square equals to 0. So we can convert this into these three forms. When we transfer this plus omega square to right hand side, we get minus omega square. That means 1 plus omega can be written as minus omega square. This omega plus omega square equals to minus 1. When we transfer this plus 1 to right hand side, we get 1 omega plus omega square equals to minus 1. And when we transfer this omega to right hand side, we get 1 plus omega square equals to minus omega. So we use these 3. So see here, when we take 3 common from these first two terms, we get 3 in bracket 1 plus omega. So we can replace this 1 plus omega by minus omega square. Then here this we can write when we take 2 common from this first and third term. So we write here after taking 2 common, we can write 2 into 1. So we take 2 common. So we write here 1. Then 2 omega square, we take 2 common. So remaining is 1 square. So 1 plus omega square. So we write in bracket 2 in bracket 1 plus omega square for first and last term. And we keep this 6 omega as it is, bracket cube as it is. Now we replace this 1 plus omega by minus omega square. So we can add these two terms. So for that 3 into minus, so we write minus 3 omega square plus 5 omega square and raised to the bracket raised to the power 6 as it is. Here we replace this 1 plus omega square by minus omega. So we get here 2 into minus omega, that is minus 2 omega, and this 6 omega as it is. So we add these two terms. So minus 3 omega square plus 5 omega square, we get plus 2 omega square bracket raised to the power 6. Here we add these two terms, or you can say subtract 6 omega minus 2 omega, you get 4 omega. Then we take power 6 of both the terms. So 2 raised to the power 6 into here omega square raised to the power 6. So we write this as omega raised to the power 2 into 6, that is omega raised to the power 12. Which concept we use here? We use a raised to the power m, bracket raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m into m. So we write this power in multiplication form. So we get 2 into 6, 12. So we factorize that 12. We factorize 12 into 3 into 4. So we write power 3 first, then power 4. So omega cube we replace by 1, 2 raised to the power 6, which is 64, and here 4 cube is 64, and again this omega cube we replace by 1. So here don't confuse with minus omega square and minus omega its bracket square. Both are different, because when we square this minus omega, we get here minus sine square, that means minus 1 square into omega square. Minus square is always plus, so we write simply omega square, and minus omega square not equals to omega square. So in this way we get 64 minus 64 equals to 0, which is RHS. So in this way we can show LHS equals to RHS. Now see sub question 6. A plus b omega plus c omega square upon c plus a omega plus b omega square equals to omega square. So we consider here LHS and show equals to omega square, that is equals to RHS. So LHS equals to A plus B omega plus C omega square upon C plus A omega plus B omega square. So we take here omega square common from each term. Now here we require omega square on RHS. So we take omega square common from numerator. So we write omega square in bracket. Here omega is absent. So we write this as A upon omega square plus B. We take omega square common. So we write B upon omega plus we take C omega square common. So we write plus C upon, keep denominator as it is, C plus A omega plus B omega square. If you not understand this step, so you can write this as A into omega square upon omega square plus we multiply and divide by omega, so B omega square upon omega plus C omega square as it is upon, keep denominator as it is. Now from this you will get clear how we write this bracket. So we take this omega square common, so A and omega square we write as first term in bracket plus we take omega square common, so B upon omega, we take omega square common, so write here C and keep denominator as it is. So omega square in bracket. Our aim to show RHS equals to omega square, that means these two terms must be same for cancellation. So we multiply and divide this first term by omega, so we get A omega upon omega cube. We multiply and divide by omega, so in numerator we get A omega, in denominator omega square into omega we write omega cube plus here we have to multiply and divide by omega square because we required one here. So we multiply and divide by omega square. So B omega square upon omega into omega square. We write omega cube plus C as it is upon C plus A omega plus B omega square. So if you observe, this omega cube we replace by 1. This omega cube we replace by 1. So we write here omega square in bracket A omega by 1 plus B omega square by 1 plus C upon C plus A omega plus B omega square. So omega square in bracket A omega upon 1 as A omega plus B omega square upon 1 as B omega plus C upon C plus A omega plus B omega square. So we rearrange these numerator terms in bracket. So we write C first, then A omega plus B omega square upon this denominator as it is C plus A omega plus B omega square. So you can cancel these terms. So we get omega square which is equals to RHS. So in this way we can show this term equals to omega square, that means LHS equals to RHS. Now see next sub question 8, we have to show this LHS equals to RHS. So we write LHS as A minus B omega, A minus B omega square. So first we solve these three brackets. So first we multiply first two brackets. So we write here A into A, which is A square, A into B omega. So we write minus AB omega. Then multiply by minus B. So we get minus AB. So minus minus get plus, B into B. We get B square omega. A minus B omega square as it is. So here we multiply these two brackets. So we multiply by A to each term. So we get here a square into a as a cube minus a into a, we write a square b omega, then we multiply by a to this term, so we get minus a square b, then we multiply to this term by a, so we get b square into a or ab square omega. Then next multiply by this minus b omega square, so for first term we get minus a square b omega square, then minus minus get plus, so we write here a into b square omega cube, then minus minus plus, we write here a b square omega square, then plus minus minus b into b square, that is b cube, then omega into omega square, we write omega cube. Now see the like terms which we have to remove here, minus a square b omega, then here plus, so first we see the like terms here which we have to cancel. So we first write this omega cube as 1. We mark all the terms first. So here we require only a cube and b cube. That means all terms get cancelled. So this omega cube we replace by 1. So observe these marked terms. So we write this a cube as it is. We take minus a square b from these marked terms. So we write here a square b in bracket. Here is omega plus, here is 1, here is omega square, because we take minus a square b common. Then from these three terms we take common ab square, so we write here plus ab square in bracket. Here is omega, here is omega cube which is 1, here is omega square minus b cube into omega cube, we replace by 1. So we write here a cube, 1 plus omega square is 0, so this term get 0, plus 1 plus omega square is 0, so we write this as 0, minus b cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube, which is equal to RHS. So in this way we can solve. Just you have to take common a square b, then you have to take common ab square, and you have to replace omega cube as 1. So in this way you can calculate this